This is a letter of the Honorable Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. to the Honorable Members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Iloilo dated August 6, 2024, requesting for an omnibus authority to sign the Memoranda of Agreement for and on behalf of the Iloilo Provincial Government with various local government units in the Province of Iloilo to transfer fund for the implementation of Cash for Work program to address the adverse effects of the El Niño Phenomenon and in preparation for the incoming La Niña, which will be taken from the PDRRMF Task Fund as per Resolution number 2024-433. The Governor certifies for the immediate enactment of the above-mentioned request in order to implement the program immediately. For this letter request, Your Honor, I move for the passing of a resolution granting omnibus authority to the Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. to sign the Memoranda of Agreements for and behalf of the Iloilo Provincial Government with the various local government units in the Province of Iloilo to transfer funds for the implementation of Cash for Work programs to address the adverse effect of the El Niño Phenomenon and in preparation for the incoming La Niña. I so move.
Yes, I believe we have clarifications from the floor.
The exact amount to be transferred to the LGU and what are those LGUs that qualifies the requirement for the El Nino phenomenon.
Good afternoon.
And then sa saan o siya masugod?
Good afternoon, Madam Presiding Officers and Your Honors. The source of these funds is, of course, coming from the PDRRM Trust Fund, and once the Governor has its authority to sign in behalf of the provincial government or the local government units, it involves 43 million, and the intention of the 1 million for the 43 municipalities is for Cash Forward program and the procurement of the irrigation pumps.
Because it is stated in various local government unit. Why not state that 43 municipalities na lang para
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And one city.
It should be 42,
one city, yeah, one component.
42 municipalities
and one
component city.
Right.
Yes.
When after the transfer of the funds to the local government, the liquidation, it depends on the local government to implement this Cash for Work program, these various water system procurement equipment, to procure equipment on the water system. Depende na lang na isang munisipyo.
Yes, Your Honor. Depende na lang na sila, but
Okay.
again, this should be guided by the menu as stated on the financial assistance amounting to 1 million.
Yes, thank you, Colonel.
Thank you, Board. Yes, Board Distura.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, and to the resource person, Colonel Salinas. Madam Chair, I have some clarification on this, no? But first is, as part of the committee report number 8 of the DRRM Committee on Disaster Risk Reduction and Management, our recommendations there is Cash for Work for cleaning of drainage, cross drainage, the box culverts, and other one is the fuel subsidy for farmers. How come that there is the procurement of irrigation pumps? Because as you may know, the cost of an irrigation pump more or less around 50,000. So 1 million, that's only 20 units. Well, it depends also on the kung ano man ang gusto sang LGU, no? So these are just my point of clarification to if you will allocate fuel, medyo mas madamo ang mga tagaan ng Makabato. Thank you.
Your Honor, na-discuss natin ini sa committee level that one of those na i-provide natin in as part of our mitigation measures sa impacts ng El Nino is to provide them, no, para na at least matagaan naton sila sang irrigation pumps. And of course, I am with you on the premise that it has more value to all, to affected farmers, ang fuel subsidy. But the irrigation pumps is more lasting as far as to address the El Nino in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Other questions? None? Thank you. Thank you very much, Colonel Salinas.
Your Honor, I move to reiterate my previous motion granting authority to the Governor, the Honorable Arthur Defensor Jr. to send a Memoranda of Agreements for and behalf of the provincial government with the various local governments with the 43 component LGUs in the province of Iloilo to transfer fund for the implementation of Cost for Work program to address the adverse effect of El Nino and in preparation for the incoming La Niña. I so move.
So moved. Any second to the motion? Seconded unanimously. Seconded. Motion is approved.